Hello, I am Professor K.Y. Rajpure. I am Professor and Head of the Department of Physics. And through this video, I wish to take short overview of the Department of Physics of Java University, Kolhapur. I wish to present the department in a nutshell. This department was established in 1963, and since then it is headed by many able academicians and administrators like great material scientist Professor A.V. Naralikar, Professor Anand Patil, Professor S.H. Pawar, who was um, Vice Chancellor of Dr. D.Y. Patil University, Kolhapur, Professor C.D. Lokhande. Right now, he is working as a research professor at the D.Y. Patil University, Kolhapur. Professor Vijay Fulari, he is a senior professor in our department, and Professor P.S. Patil, my teacher and senior professor of the Department of Physics, and right now he is working as the Pro Vice Chancellor of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. So, till today, since its inception, the outstanding legacy of the visionary administrator continues. Department has got international recognition due to contribution by my all colleagues, namely two senior professors, two professors, four assistant professors, and one UGC research professor. So at the outset, I owe all credit to my colleagues. So department offers three programs, mainly MSc, MPhil, and PhD. And at the Part 2 level, we have four specializations to MSc, namely solid state physics, modern optics, space science, and theoretical physics. In addition to postgraduate department on the university campus, we have four PG centers at various colleges under our academic control. The intake capacity of our postgraduate department at the Shivaji University campus is 150 students, and the admission to all the courses is given purely on the merit basis through entrance examination. As I said, department has got international recognition. So we have recognition in material science research, and the thrust area of the research of our department is development of materials and material based device fabrication. Till now, Shivaji University has published more than 6,000 research articles. Of these, more than 40%, that is 2,500 publications, are published by Department of Physics in reputed journals. Till now, department has produced 400 PhD students, and most of them they are well placed in various national laboratories and international laboratories all over the globe. Department has generated enormous amount of fund through various departmental as well as the individual research project. Till now, department has received uh, around 16 crore rupees grant through departmental projects and more than through the individual projects, and more than 10,000 crore rupees grant through departmental projects. So the total number of research projects, if we count, the number goes up to 100. So from these funds, department has created the outstanding research ecosystem of national repute. The name of this ecosystem is Physics Instrumentation Facility Center. And uh, around 21 instruments, various analytical instruments like X-ray diffraction, then solar simulator, then we have atomic force microscope, scanning electron microscope, then we have field emission scanning electron microscope, FT Raman, and uh, various electrochemical characterization technique, AFM, we have photoluminescent spectropluorometer, we have. So such facilities is created in the PIFC. Our faculties are listed in top two words very productive scientist list. in the field of material disease. Recently, AD Scientific Index also has listed our all faculty members in the worldwide list of uh, 4 lakh scientists. And as far as placement of the students is concerned, our more than 150 students are working in overseas laboratories on prestigious fellowships in the country, over all the countries like UK, USA, Korea, Australia. And all the students are, most of the students are placed in the NPL, IITs and NITS. So thank you very much.